In this video, I'm going to show you how to play with friends in Paper.io 2, so just follow these steps exactly. Now the first thing you want to do is open the Paper.io 2 app on your phone, and once it opens, make sure you are signed in. Now if you're not signed in yet, just tap on Sign In with Google and complete the login. And once you're logged in, you'll be taken back to the main screen. Now after signing in, what you want to do next is tap on the Settings icon, which you'll find in the top right corner of the screen. Now once you're inside Settings, you'll see an option called Add Friends or Play with Friends, so just tap on that option. Now after that, tap on Send Invite, and here you'll get a shareable link. Now you can simply copy the link and send it to your friends using Snapchat, Instagram, Messenger, Discord, Gmail, or any app you want. Now once your friend taps on that link, they'll be redirected straight into the game, and you'll be able to play together. And that's it. That's how you play with friends in Paper.io 2. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.